Hi guys, is anybody out there? Is anybody of you likes unboxing? Because I love and I miss it. It's been a while I didn't post unboxing, so I would think I want to unbox my remaining gift for myself last Christmas. So let's check this. This is kind of heavy. And this is Sephora purchase. And you already know what it is. Okay, let's unbox. Because I'm a little stressed today. This is my stress reliever. Oh my god, this is gonna be hard. Why is that? Okay, let's check what do I got here. Let's check together, guys. Here, the 24 Gold Glow Up. This is from Peter Thomas Roth. This is a face mask. I'm gonna apply it soon. I'm gonna start using this. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use it. This is like gold, 24 carats gold. Wow. My face cannot be torn. Gold. So there you have it. I like it, this one. And it comes with a hydrogel eye patch. So face and eye patch. Perfect for myself. I'm getting old, and you're not getting old, so you don't need that. So this is a Pure Skin face cleanser. I like this one. This is perfect and good for sensitive skin, especially for the younger people. Sensitive. Sometimes I have this sensitive skin too. It doesn't matter if you're old, you don't have sensitive skin. You should sometimes. It depends on the weather sometimes. So I have this Kerastane. This is a hair product. This is a gloss. This is a gloss, like it's a travel size. This is a pre-product for my purchase, qualified. And I have this, a gift from us for you. What is that? Where's it? And this is the Macrane. This is a cleanser, guys. This is a good brand, but I wanna try this one. And that's all on the box, inside the box. I mean, let me see this one. A gift from us for you. Let's check this, guys. This is like a nice packaging. Ooh, what is this? Oh, let's open together. It's so sweet. Nice packaging. They really do that. And this is, what is it? Oh, shampoo and conditioner. Oh, this is a hair product. That's nice. Perfect for travel. Just one use. Okay, so thank you for the gift. Little things count. Okay, so this is all for today in the box. Alright, so I hope you enjoy watching my unboxing, and see you the next unboxing.